Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then hi, my name is Mamta. I make a lot of videos, like a lot of them. I have categories and playlists on my channel. You can check them out, and if anything interests you, so you can follow me, subscribe. Yeah, I'm awkward, I know. So for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you or showing you how I edit my pictures. There are a lot of requests on how I edit my pictures, and I'm going to spill the tea here for you. Actually, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि बहुत basic है, सबको पता ही होगा, but apparently there are so many requests कि मुझे लगा ठीक है, I'll address it here. The app I'm going to use is available on the Google Play, and इसका link like I'll put in the description box. बहुत easily मिल जाए. But the problem is कि इसके बहुत सारे फीचर आपको खरीदने पड़ते हैं. लाइक इसका एक बेसिक वर्जन है, एक एडवांस वर्जन है. जो एडवांस वर्जन है उसके लिए कुछ पे करना पड़ता है. सो इफ़ यू आर very much into editing, you can buy the yearly subscription, or if you want you can go and download the cracked version, but वो थोड़ा risky होता है, तो that will I not promote. And the person who told me about this app is Daily Pixel, so another shout out to him. Because of him I got to know about this app, and since it's been like 2.5 years I am trying to get my hand on this app. So अगर initially editing नहीं समझ में आएगा तो it's okay, but लगे रहना, समझ में आ जाएगा. And without blabbering more, let's quickly jump into the video. So for today's video I'll be editing this picture, and I hope I insert a very detailed video here which you will follow. So there are few options where it's like crop. You can straight the picture if you want. अगर थोड़ा सा भी उसमें problem रहेगा तो वो fix कर देगा by default. Like this. ये थोड़ा बहुत crop हो जाएगा, straight हो जाएगा. उसके बाद there are auto. These are like before and after. You can see right. So these are the auto editing tools. इसमें brightening, like brightening your picture, or contrast, or for example details. These are the few things which you can like do it by yourself if you are like a pro, and you can use this feature अगर आपको कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा है. Like if you really want कि picture में क्या करना है, कैसे edit करना है, you can use this one auto tune वाला picture, auto tune वाला option. Then you will go on light. Here are the options. आप चाहो तो exposure बढ़ा सकते हो, घटा सकते हो. For this picture I'm gonna keep it like to 0.238, and then contrast I'm gonna be, see contrast से क्या होता है. So I'm gonna keep the contrast at -9. Highlight I wanna keep here on 23 again. Then we'll go on this option. This option is like the maximum used option. Okay, wait. So this option is the option where I actually do all the magic. So here are the mixes. So these are the color palettes, and if you are an artist or if you are a painter or like, you know what I mean, right? So you will know which color will go with what other color. So पर मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं पता है. So I just go by my intuition कि हाँ ये सही लग रहा है, ये सही लग रहा है, ये सही लग रहा है. तो if you are like that only, तो आप भी ऐसा कर सकते हो. For pink, what kind of pink I want? This is becoming too pink. This is becoming red. Okay, somewhere here. And saturation, so you can see how much dark or pale color you will get of the colors. And luminous is also about getting dark, or yep. So it's done. Then orange, see this is what I was talking about. Orange के साथ भी you have to play a little bit. I'll keep it here. Saturation here. ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे कलर यूज़ करने हों आपको. I'm just using it to give you an idea exactly what we are doing. बाद में if you want to use it, don't want to use it, it's totally up to your call. Green तो इसमें मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है. See, there is some hint of purple, and color is changing so much, so I'm gonna keep it here on the pink side, and done. And see, this was the before and this is the after. ये जो temp है, this is also like you can set the tone however you want. Like इसको अगर मैं यहाँ लेके जाती हूँ, this will become blue, this is become a little yellowish, so we'll keep it somewhere 6, 5 भी ठीक है. Tint is also about green and pink. Then here comes the texture, clarity and dehaze. Texture से कुछ नहीं होगा, see you will get more clear details जैसी Google Pixel के फ़ोन्स में होती हैं, या फिर if I talk about iPhones में बहुत detailed pictures होती हैं. So if you want to keep the details high, you can go in the right direction, and if you want to keep the details like a little blur, so you can go in the opposite direction, and this is how it will look. I will keep the texture 12. Clarity is again how smooth or how detailed picture you want. So see, if I keep it 89, it looks something like this, so I'll keep it 35. Then dehaze is all about dark and white, so I'll keep it here. So this was the before and after. Vintage तो मैं इतना यूज़ करती नहीं हूँ अपनी फ़ोटोज़ में, तो I'll not disturb that one. Then there is grain amount. अगर आप चाहते हो अपनी फ़ोटोज़ में थोड़ा वो old rustic सा effect होता है ना old photos में, so if you wanna put that, you can use grain. I'll keep my grain 22 के आसपास, like ज़्यादा old भी नहीं लगनी चाहिए फ़ोटो. And then details. This is like sharpening your picture. I don't sharpen my picture a lot. मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आती है, because when I transfer them to one medium to another, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा there is some problem if I use sharpen feature a lot, तो मैं उसको बिल्कुल भी छेड़ती नहीं हूँ. But if you will use sharpen feature, it will open the other two, which is like detail and noise reduction and radius. So यहाँ पे अगर आप जाओगे इस ऑप्शन पे जहाँ पे प्रीसेट करके लिखा हुआ है, so यहाँ पे बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट बहुत सारे वो होते हैं प्री बने हुए लाइटरूम के अपने कुछ प्रीसेट्स होते हैं जो आप अपनी फ़ोटोज़ पे यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ आई यूज़ मैट ओवर दिस एडिट, इट विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. इफ़ आई यूज़ हाई कंट्रास्ट, इट विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. सो अभी इसमें से मैं कुछ यूज़ नहीं करने वाली हूँ. नोप. ब्लैक एंड वाइट का भी है. ग्रीन कर्व, आई यूज़ कर्व फीचर समटाइम्स, एंड उसमें आई समटाइम यूज़ फ्लैट, बट अभी फ्लैट जाएगा नहीं. एंड लेफ्ट शेडोज़ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. आई थिंक मेरा एडिट ऐसे ही बहुत सही लग रहा है. दिस इज़ हाउ आई एडिटेड दिस पिक्चर फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस. एंड सबसे अच्छी बात जो मुझे इसकी लगती है, यू कैन कॉपी द सेटिंग्स, ओके, एंड यू कैन पेस्ट इट ऑन टू दी अदर photos and it will look bomb. Nice. So this is how I edit my pictures. For example, मैंने इस पे अगर paste करूँगी, this will look something like this. And this is like a very quick tutorial I'm giving you guys, just to give you like a brief how I edit my pictures. Nothing fancy. You can download the app from Google Play. Sometimes I use other apps like Prequel, और उसके ऊपर मैंने एक अलग वीडियो बनाई हुई है. That link will be somewhere here. You can go and check out. So these are the apps I basically use, and मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ that you have to have edit your pictures, but if you are free and if you want, like if you like color grading and if you like a little bit editing, then you can definitely give it a try. And अगर आपको अपनी pictures बिना filter के upload करना पसंद है, तो thumbs up for that. I have like that's totally your call. I like it because मुझे थोड़ा artistic वाली feeling आती है, because I don't know how to draw. So pictures के साथ थोड़ा बहुत colors में खेल के I really feel nice, and that's the prime reason I spend so much time editing my pictures. So yeah, but I never remove the imperfections from my photos. Like अगर ग्रे बाल है तो ग्रे ही रहेंगे, पिंपल्स हैं तो वो रहेंगे. I never remove them from my photo. All I do is play with the colors. That's it. Also, I'm not promoting कि आप अपना shape और size change कर लो using apps. Nothing like I'm not promoting that. Not that I'm shaming that. If you want to do it, do it. It's your call. Literally want to just share with you people how I generally edit my pictures. And yeah, that was the prime reason. And बहुत सारे लोग कमेंट कर रहे थे, पूछ रहे थे how you edit your pictures. And हर बार कोई सेम प्रोसीजर नहीं होता. जैसे मैंने बताया कि मैं कभी भी ऐसे लग के एक ही प्रोसीजर नहीं फॉलो करती हूँ. आई जस्ट गो बाय द इंट्यूशन कि हाँ ये कर लेते हैं, ये थोड़ा कम कर लेते हैं, वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर लेते हैं. इट्स जस्ट द प्रैक्टिस गाइज. आफ्टर 2.5 years I have some sense कि हाँ कौन सी फोटो पे कैसी editing अच्छी लगेगी. But I'm not saying that I'm professional. I really like other people and their editing because I know few people who put a lot of efforts in editing. तो मैं तो उनके बिल्कुल आसपास बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ. But yeah, because आप एक चीज़ बार बार करते रहते हो तो थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया हो जाता है. I'm not saying this was the best tutorial you have watched on the internet. No, that's not what I'm saying. This is just to give you an idea. Like the people who follow me here was asking me how you edit your pictures. I just told you this is the way. And that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial. I will try to keep this video to the point and short, crisp. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more such videos you can subscribe to my channel because I upload a lot of photography related videos. So yeah, and I'll see you next week. Bye.